Am I recording? If I'm recording, you should hear my voice. Hello, I'm playing Gorilla Tag. Let's get This is actually my first video will be posted on the KJ1 or Touch channel. This will only be on YouTube. TikTok might be half of it.
Big time. There's 30 months at Cal Gorilla Cup.
Come here, I'm gonna help you. Come here.
Listen. Yeah, Pro Galaxy freaking
Are you on? Where are you? You get on. Come here. I'll help you. What?
I'm doing.
Come on. Smoke. What is it gonna be? I'll be right there.
You can't get me.
I just got thrown. It's crazy. Oh, it's gonna be up there. Guys, it's gonna be up there. Everybody go here. Everybody here.
Can I get it? Can I get it? I don't know.
Oh, okay, I'm not gonna get to it.
Yo, why is everybody freaking favoritism? Oh, this is freaking favoritism.
Yo, oh,
We all have to agree that this is favoritism. We all have to agree. What? It's me. Who's who?
come on.
Yeah! What? Hold on.
Have you at it,
Let
bro?
me get.
You're forgetting me.
Get purple. Get purple.
You are such a.
Help purple, help purple.
I don't hear it. Nope, everybody go get it. I'm hanging on to this kid.
It's up there.
Scared, pal. Oh, hey. No, I don't care.
Oh, my back hurts. Like, my back actually hurts real bad.
What the heck are you? Who are you? Yeah, here. Yeah. Get it out.
It's gonna be right there. I repeat, it's gonna be right there.
Dude, purple. Purple, where are you? No, purple. Join code water. Where are you?
No, you pushed me away.
Where are you? Oh, sorry.
Right.
Oh.
There.
He's gonna murder me.
Oh, where do you go? Come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm not here.
There.
Take him away. Please, I'm new.
Bye. Let him on, cause he's new. And next, if I'm in again, I'm gonna help Pink, okay?
That are all my stuff. Wait, can I go? Can I go? Please. No.
I'm gonna help Pink, okay?
Favorite dream. Favorite dream. My elevator.
Look, I'm gonna help Pink, okay? If I miss. Alright, Pink, where are you? Pink, come here. Go, get him, get him. Get Pink.
No, I'm not.
Get Pink. Pink! Hurry up!
Hey, madam. Can you go to buy that?
Push everybody out. I need Pink up. Click it, Pink. Click it. Pink, click it.
What?
No, no, Pink. Whoa, no. Green, help Pink. He's new. Pink is new. Help Pink. Pink is new.
How does she know? She know my status. What's the party hat?
Help Pink.
Can you get me to it?
Help Pink. Help Pink. Help Pink. Help Pink. He's new. Pink, come on.
Hey, White, what are you doing, buddy?
Help Pink. Oh, purple, I don't know.
Give me.
No, he's up there, he's up there.
We don't have to go close to it, okay?
Can you please give me to it? Okay.
Pink, come on.
Hey, Bella, do you see that update? Yes or no? Hey, Bella, do you see that update? Yes or no? Come, Pink. Pink. Hey, you Pink.
Manches, Stephanie, nomás sacó las perronas y ya me las metió.
Only Pink. Only let Pink on.
Stephanie, faltan los borreguillos, ¿dónde están?
Pink on.
Stephanie, faltan los dos borregos de la grande, ¿dónde andan?
Pink, where are you? Come on, I'm helping you.
Right here. I never got it before. I never got it before.
Oh, come on. Pink, come on, get on. Pink.
I'm coming.
Come on.
No. Come on. Wait.
Click it. Just click it. There you go, Pink. But it's gonna fall right up.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, yo. Doug,
Can you
come on, Doug.
start
Doug.
recording? Hey, Bella, can you please start recording?
Oh my gosh, my controller fell.
Hey, Bella, can you please start recording? Good.
Yo, I just helped her because she is new.
To IoT, today's video we are 30 my girl tag with the website. Don't worry, I got it. It was really gonna go settings. Especially since both checking that dishes instead of Arlo-Key. Yeah, try new channel for the kids. Like, can I get go checking with you? Why don't we go ahead?
Let's everybody get on it. Everybody get on. Get on, come on. There you go. Help,
Stop the This is cool.
yo.
He's holding it.
No, I'm trying to go uphill. I'm trying to go uphill. Okay?
Oh my god. He's just trying to get up there.
Fine. Yo, help someone is new. Look.
I'm new.
Hell no, you're pushing all of us away.
I'm kind of new today.
Whoever's pushing people away, they deserve to not be. Oh, it's up there. Alright, who's new in this lobby?
Me.
What?
I'm up here.
What? You're new?
I'm up here.
Oh, what?
I'm new.
Oh,
I'm up here.
you're up there? Whoever's new, come here. I'll help them up. Are you new?
Guys, I have to tell you something.
Are you new? You're not new.
I'm down here.
Yeah.
I'm not new. I'm not new.
Hey, you're not new, bro. No, so he was pushing everybody away.
Blue, wait. I can't even see it. What? Blue. I can't see it. I can just see the I'm new.
Where are you? Get up. No, come here. There you go. It's right there. Everybody, I think is gonna get on the slide. So get.
Okay.
Hey, yo.
I mean, I do, but
Come on.
I'm in the game.
Just killing me.
Wait. I'm back.
Yo. What's your button? Yo! I'm not trying to get. Oh.
Wait, I can't even throw you. I'm just gonna need to pee. I'm gonna get it.
Are they going now? Whoever's new and I'm in it, I will help them. Whoever's new in this lobby and I'm in it, I will help them. Just 1 second. Oh.
Let me show you my woman vibes. Let me show you my woman vibes. Color.
Still.
Oh, this crap.
So go here.
I forgot.
And put this on down to me. Is it on me? You. I forgot. Oh, yep. It's right here. You're on spin.
Go to the corp.
Hey, blue.
How many people did a friend? I was trying
Her
to
name's,
troll with some people in a lobby,
Yo.
and then all of a sudden,
Yo, how do you have 1,000? Do you have the cosmetic where
Está bien frío.
on your back?
¿Qué pedo?
Oh, eyeball.
Do you have a cosmetic where you have a campfire on your back?
I'll tell.
Hey, Blue. Hey, you. Are you new?
do it.
Are you new?
Where am I? On. Wait, look at me. Green, look at me. Green. Green.
What? Nobody in here plays
Look at me.
Palapa.
My eyeball.
Palapa.
Look at my eyeball. Y'all look right funny.
It's not your freaking
Y'all look right
eyeball.
funny for you to actually see it.
I can literally see your freaking eyeball right
What the?
He's sticks to the wall.
How much is this?
Oh, no.
all looks
I have 100. Okay.
I look like a stand.
I could buy it. Just why?
Okay, I'm digging your daddy's food. There you
Bro, I have enough to buy it.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
What?
Come here. How much do I have?
For me, it says 800. I mean 8,000.
Mine says 1400.
One.
What does that mean?
14,000.
I don't have my house. 14,000?
Yeah.
Oh my god. My god.
Brother, I have enough. Why can't I not buy it?
I think you mean 1,400. Tell me how many numbers there are. I see. Wait, your voice sounds like a 4 and a 0. I have 10,900. That should be 1,400. No, why is there a bomb on you? Why is your head upside down? You're upside down.
Should I hide? Thank you. No. Bruh. First I thought like I couldn't even see it. I couldn't even see it. You just told me. I didn't even got to see it, bro. Leave me alone.
Hey guys,
Leave me Ah, they're still here.
I need one more person.
What the hell?
Let's do a
I
movie.
think is this the end? Peace out, homies. Oh my god. This is the end. Bye.